Hey, how's it going? Today, I gotta fix the fan because it's not spinning. It's lit up, but it's not spinning. I upgraded the power supply unit from Thermaltake 600 watt power supply to Gamdias 750 watt power supply, and I'll show you the details on that here shortly. As well, we're gonna put in M.2 drive, 1000 gigabytes, 1 terabyte. Have a little more space for games, a little speedier at playing games than some of these old hard drives that are in here. So let's get to that, and we'll show you the stuff along the way. Alright, we finally made it to that stage. So there's the M2 spot. Let's go ahead and unscrew that. There's the M2 cover on the Gigabyte B450 Aurora's M board. Now let's get that drive so we can put it in. So we're going to use the crucial P1 NVMe M.2 1000 gigabytes. There it is. Look how thin that is. So we're going to leave this post here for the cover, and then we're going to put in a new post and screw right here for the M.2. In goes the M.2. And then the new cover. There we go, and that'll keep it nice and cold. After some difficulty, we got that in there. I really got to use a magnetic screwdriver next time. But that's in. Everything else is looking good. Push down. Let's put the GPU back in. There we are. Clicked back in. A new terabyte of storage. And now we're going to fix that fan. Okay, so those fan wires come down here, and they come across here. One is there, and that might be, I think that's the rear fan, and I think this is the top fan. So I'm just going to move this one to here to see if that makes a difference. Everything else is securely connected. Quite the nest down here, boys. There's my new RGB Gamdias Kratos M1 750 watt bronze power supply. It is a non-modular power supply with black sleeve cables. Or black cables, not sleeved. And it's been working out great. I haven't had any issues at all with it delivering its power. The Thermaltake 600 watt, I did have some issues with it delivering power, as it's a minimum requirement for the RX 5700 XT. But since then, this has been about a week and a half I've had this in, and I haven't had any issues yet. So on the back side of the Kratos, you have your silent mode on and off, and that really does do something. It's quite a loud fan if that is on, or sorry, if the silent mode is off. And this is your RGB lighting switch, or you can also daisy chain it into with your fans or your motherboard, and they will also control it, but I don't have it set up that way. I have it just by itself, and all my fans are daisy chained together with the motherboard. Okay, let's go put them all back in. All the connections. What a mess of wires, eh? Oh, so it's connected and working. But maybe it's too high. Oh, would you look at that? Right there, look, those wires I think are blocking it. Right in there, you see those wires? I think they're blocking the fan blade from spinning. Did that fix it? Look at that. It's fixed. So that's it. Thanks for tagging along while I fixed the fan. Showed y'all my new fans. The new Gamdias Kratos 750 watt power supply. Runs really well. And our M.2 installed that you can't see. Hope you enjoyed the video, so please come back for more. Hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. It'd be greatly appreciated. Cheers. Have a great day.